Here's Leticia Bufoni, same skateboarder.
Bufoni super sideways, go on, get in.
Number 13, you know her from Skate Street World, you know her, you love her, originally from Brazil, now residing here in the USA. Make some noise for Leticia Bufoni!
Finally made it back to the US, just landed in Minneapolis, Minnesota. I'm coming from Europe. I was there for almost a month doing a skate tour with Red Bull, and I'm excited to be here. This is gonna be my first time racing a side-by-side, and yeah, it's amazing that Yokohama invited me to come race the Rallycross. It's really exciting. It's something new, never done it before, and I don't know how it's gonna be, so let's go check it out.
I'm Scotty Lawrence. I'm with Rival Motorsports Can-Am. We built all the cars here for all the celebrity and guest drivers this weekend, and I was just going over some things with Leticia. She's got some really good raw talent. She just needs to learn some of the basics about entering corners, exiting corners. And if you jump and you just kind of land on top, that's perfectly fine. You don't have to go all the way over it.
Probably having the time of her life in there.
Man, first day on the track, first day in the car. It was crazy. I knew the track a little bit more, I knew the car a little bit more, and I got to have a little bit more fun than the first practice. And I just feel like as much as I go, I'll be more comfortable and comfortable. And yeah, I'm ready to learn some more, and can't wait to be in the track again. Where is it?
Car. It's right over here.
There we go. Wow. That's so sick. No, I knew the design they're gonna use because it's like the same as I have in my drift car and also my skateboard. But I didn't know it was gonna be like this. It looks so sick.
Yeah, look, tell me what's the vibes, what's the mood? Yeah, I just hit up Mikey for the juice. Yeah, ain't no capping, I'ma tell the truth. I've been winning for so long, it's hard to lose.
First session of the day. It's only my second day out there, and it's exciting. It's like I wanna keep going, and I still have a lot to learn in this track, but it feels good just to be out there. It's amazing. Just go fast and do some jumps.
I'm going to draw what your line is first, and then I'm going to show you a better line than that, okay? You're coming down, you're using the center of the track, which is good. You're about in the center, and then you're driving, and you're just kind of radiusing all the way around, and you're actually pushing out on the exit because you're going down through here, like this, okay? Mm-hmm. You're going to run almost this exact same arch, but you're going to come up, and you're going to start your turn earlier. So you're going to apex right here, okay? And then you're going to exit earlier, and then you have a straight line.
I'm still getting comfortable to the track. With the spotter helping me out, talking, telling me like when to go faster, when to brake, it helps a lot. Because I don't know this track really well, so having him on my back, like telling me what to do, it's really helping. I'm not nervous, but at the same time, I'm not relaxed. I don't know what I'm feeling right now. It's like I'm really excited to do this, but in the same time, I don't know what I'm doing, so I just want to get out there and try to make my lines and go fast.
All these cars being run by Scotty Lawrence's outfit, all the Can-Ams, they're all identical, they all use the same tyres. So it's just completely down to the minor tweaking that you can do on the settings in the background, and also, you know, then it comes down to the driver. So it's a cost-effective way of doing some top-level racing.
Yeah, fundamental, that's fundamental, on instrumentals. Yeah, speed of the tempo. Yeah, we got potential. Shoot a movie like I'm Denzel, running my route to the end zone, and they sticking to find me.
really hard conditions with the rain and a lot of stuff flying in my face, but didn't roll the car, didn't crash, and I think I progressed a lot through these past 3 days, and it's incredible to be able to race with Travis and, you know, all the guys that have been doing this for so long, you know, and it's a lot of pressure, but I got it done.
Glen Helen Raceway, the fans are out here. The Nitro Rallycross back here again at this infamous track. Cars that fly, tracks that thrill.
This is it. This is my second race, and it's amazing to be back. I can't wait to be behind the wheel. So let's do this. Second race ever. If you gotta sign something, that means it's dangerous. Right?
Yeah.
I'm just signing my life away right now.
All good.
The mistake was I got here, since it's my second race, I was feeling way too comfortable. I forgot it's a brand new track and I wanted to go fast, you know, and end up rolling the car in the end of my practice, and it didn't feel that nice. But at least I got one out of the way, and now I know how it feels to roll a car, and I hope I don't do it again. I just checked my car, and the car is good. It's just dirty, so I'll be good for the next practice.
What's up? I'm Alan Empuria. I drive trophy trucks down in Baja for the Sport Championship. We're out here in beautiful Glen Helen for the Nitro Rallycross. I'm here with Leticia Bufoni. We're helping her, trying to get a little faster. For somebody that has little to no experience driving one of these short course Can-Ams, she's doing really, really good. Super stoked to be here helping her out, and can't wait to see what we can do this weekend.
I think it's cool, this class here with Can-Am putting on all the same cars, and it's cool so you can invite all kinds of different athletes from different sports. And so Leticia coming out, being the top girl skater in the world, like, that's a big deal. That's cool. Like, I have a lot of respect for girls in sports, you know, obviously because of my daughter Haley. And I like to see, you know, anytime girls take a chance and do things that put them out of their comfort zone. I know this will do that with all the jumps and the cars flying sideways, running into each other. And I give her credit to even come out here and do something she doesn't normally do, which, you know, skateboarding is her world. This is more the dirt world of off-road racing, and hey, I think she's having fun, and I have respect for that.
They picking sides, they crossing the line. I stick to the truth, I'm one of a kind. Gave it a God and follow his signs. Now all of a sudden I'm stuck in my prime. I'm wishing them well, I threw them a dime. They stuck in the shell, they drowning with time. You see the game, we still undefined. If they coming at us, they better rewind. Yeah, walking around with drip on me, gotta make sure.
In my first heat, on my third lap, I ended up going too fast on one of the turns, hit the wall, and my car broke, couldn't finish. But we still got a long way to go, and all I want to do is stay on the track, not hit walls, don't break the car, and don't hit anybody. That's my goal.
For day 2, Leticia, yesterday we're doing little improvements. I just want her to, you know, work on what we've been talking about and just kind of flow into the whole track, and don't get too excited because she's intending to do that and getting a little wild. But yeah, overall, just connect the whole lap right now and get a good lap time, and then we'll take it from there.
Leticia Bufoni, what can you say about her? Obviously a master on urethane wheels. She's figuring it out. She's on Yokohama tires. She knows how to drive a Can-Am, and of course, she's competitive. I know in her mind, she just wants to absolutely dominate.
She might be right in behind Robin Shute. She is. So Leticia Bufoni has passed Robin Shute up the inside. We can see it from the announcing booth. You're seeing our leaders come around. Gregoire Michoud comes around. That's what the crowd was in the background. If you're wondering, it was Leticia Bufoni.
Oh, here goes Robin, though.
Oh, back
he
again.
Gets it back. Oh, we got a roll.
Second roll.
Hey, there we go. She's back on the Yokohama.
Go on, Leticia. Get it to the
Leticia did a
line.
kickflip here with side-by-sides. Look at that.
Oh, my goodness me. That's her second roll of the weekend. Go on, keep it going. That can get to the line. Go on, Leticia. Keep it lit. Come on. Come on. Get on your feet, people. Come on, Leticia Bufoni.
Leticia lips it in.
Get it to the line. Oh, man. No.
It's like like she twisted her ankle, but she keeps on keeping on. Pride
Get
of
it to the
Brazil.
line. Come on, you can do it. Yeah, man, this is what we love to see. Now the crowd are on their feet in the background. She's got 20 feet to go. There's a checkered flag. Come on, Leticia Bufoni. Get it up and after it, over the line.
And Leticia Bufoni.
This was by far like the most amazing racing I've ever seen out of her. I mean, you can tell she's so into it. Went after it, took her Joker run first, and then as soon as everybody else started taking their Joker run, she knew it was time to pounce, and she started going for it, man. It was amazing. Like, caught up to everybody, passed a couple people. There was like some incident in one of the turns, and now was her time to like strike, and went for it. And I think, what was it, the last turn before the end? Somehow she got clipped, rolled over, and then I thought it was over at that point. It was like, holy shit. She stopped and then kind of started rolling, and then, yeah, the car was completely damaged, but still managed to limp it over the finish line. I mean, classic Leticia Bufoni, right? Like, she has to finish everything, and, you know, the whole crowd was going nuts at that point. It was amazing.
That was hard. My car's done.
That was so awesome.
Wow, what a day.
So next time when you pass somebody, just then, as soon as you pass them, you know they're right behind you. So just cover the inside and just take it a little slower and just cover them in defense, and they won't be able to get you.
That was a hard
I mean,
day.
that was
Yeah, that was a hard day.
Guess what? I won the road contest. I rode more than everyone, so I'm a winner. Look at my car. Can't even drive anymore. It was definitely a fun race. It was tough. It's a tough course. It's a lot of stuff going on. Man, it's amazing to have all my friends here. I wish I was able to finish the final, but it happens, and I hope they can get it all fixed for next weekend in Phoenix. And let's do everything again, but no more roast.
I'm the rookie of the year. I'm the rookie of the year. I'm the rookie of the year. I'm the rookie of the year, yeah. I'm the rookie of the year. Season time away from all my peers. Started working hard for my career. Now I set the same.
All right, we out here in Phoenix. It's my third round, third race ever, and it feels good. I don't feel a rookie anymore. To skateboard, and like the course is always the same, even though if it's raining, if it's indoor, if it's hot, it's cold, it's always the same, you know. And here it's different. Every time I go out there, the track is different, so I'm still like getting used to it, you know. So this time I just thought it was not gonna be that slippery, and then I end up like slipping out a little bit, but you know, gotta learn from my mistakes and try to make a better time. My mom, this is the first race she's gonna watch. She didn't make it to the LA race, and yeah, she's excited, right? Tá feliz de estar aqui, mais uma emoção, né? It's a lot of emotions.
Paraquedas, carro.
Like it's skydiving, it's cars, skateboard, surfing, it's just everything. She used to. I've been like that my whole life, so it's not a surprise.
And Leticia really started a pretty cool trend. She came in, I mean, from a different sport with skateboarding, comes over and starts doing pretty well on the side-by-sides, and all of a sudden, you have Leah Block, who's 16 years old, just really getting into rally, but said, man, this is all-wheel drive, let me learn some of this. Block, Bagby, Amanda, like all doing really, really well. And then this round, Scotty Lawrence jumps back in, and then of course you got BJ Baldwin, 8-time off-road champion, coming straight off his championship, and he's jumping right in the mix.
She's driving very, very well out there. I've got a couple spotters out there take a look at her, and she's actually doing good. That's hard to do. It's a fast learning curve. It's drinking from a fire hose, and she's doing exceptionally well.
All right, it was a really fun weekend. I struggled a little bit with this track. It took me a while to figure out the track, and today I was finally figuring out and getting better runs. And in the finals, I was not lucky, and somebody hit me, and I spun around and was not able to finish in a good time. But it is part of racing. But I enjoy it. I had fun, and I hope I can practice a little more and be able to do the next round. I'll see you guys at the next one.
triple header, Glen Helen, end of Nitro Rallycross 22-23. Let's go.
I'm back, we are back. This is the final stop. It feels amazing to be in the car again and be racing again. I miss it.
Started out a little bit rough, but she'd never raced a side-by-side before. And last time we were here at Glen Helen, she actually, I think, rolled 3 times, maybe 4, but she's kept it on all 4 this round, and she's getting faster lap times and just getting better every time. And you see a lot of girls do really well in power sports. Inside of a car, it's just about controlling that animal.
Oh, Leticia, she's killing it. So for her first year, like, I mean, I've been doing this for my whole entire life, and the idea that she can keep up with us and throw down, it's super cool.
Dude, Leticia is the I'm sorry, I didn't cuss, didn't say it, but she is that cool. I love that girl. I'm a big fan. You know, sometimes you see everyone on social media, you don't get to actually meet them, and then you finally get to meet them and then get to race with them. And she is such an awesome chick, and I'm so stoked. You know, on the LCQ, she was right behind me, and she set a fast lap, and I'm just pumped on it. It's cool to see like someone like her come into this sport, absolutely love it, and have the same addiction that I have my entire life, and get to understand what that's about, and just get better and better and better.
Leticia Bufoni might grab P2 here. She's on the same pace as Sarah Price. Price, Bufoni coming through as well and gets the position. Great try. Bufoni's got the fastest lap as well. Let's go. She's all over the back of Sarah Price. Leticia Bufoni, don't do a kickflip. Let's go. Let's go. Going to come up to the line behind her. So 3 cars within about a second up and over. Sarah Price going to take this one. Leticia Bufoni with a brilliant drive.
Oh, insane, dude. That was, my heart was right here, bro. But she got second place, so I was like, stoked. Getting closer every time. Light work, baby, light work.
I couldn't see anything, so I just went fast.
She did awesome. Fastest lap on that race. That was so cool.
I definitely want to do next season. I hope they have a women's season, so that'll be way more fun. Because, you know, it's hard to race against Travis Pastrana and Brian Deegan and Scotty. It would be fun to have a women's series. So I hope so, but even if they don't have it, I'm gonna try to come back. Maybe a little faster next time.